Alright everybody, another request we had was multiple gin options. You can use any gin with this type of drink. Right now I'm going to use Bombay, but with this you're going to start with some ice and whatever you're using to shake your drink. Then you're going to do 1.25 ounces of your favorite type of gin. Again, go crazy with whatever liquor you need to do. Then you use a quarter ounce of sweet and sour. You could do like a lemon lime juice kind of type mixture too if you don't have any sweet and sour lying around your house. Then you're gonna do 2 ounces of cranberry juice. After you get those 3 ingredients in, you're gonna shake your drink as hard as you can. About 10 to 15 shakes right there. And then you're gonna take that and pour it over your fresh ice. And then lastly, you're going to take some ginger ale and top it off with a lime wedge or a wheel, whatever looks better for you. There you go, you have a nice refreshing gin drink.